Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another tutorial of linear marketing, and today I'm going to share with you the logo design questionnaires that you can easily share with your customers or clients if you are working, if you initially designed the logo design as a professional, or you are providing the logo design services to your as a business. Then these questionnaires might help you to clear a proper understanding about the client's requirements. So I have compiled a few questions that you can easily share with your clients and customers. So if you are working in a virtual environment and your mode of communication is virtual, then it will quite help you to give you a proper understanding that what clients want from you and how can you deliver the exact things to them. So let's start now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I will share one by one all the questions that you can easily share with you with your customers. So now the first question, that is the most important one, is the exact name that will appear on your logo design. So this is the very important, because logo design is a it's not like a piece of cake. You have to define the theme, you have to understand the proper understanding about the client requirements, about the business, about their services, about their products, and each and everything, and then you will be able to create a brand identity for any company or any business. So exact name that will be appear on your logo design, you should need this question to your clients. So it will be, because sometimes if somebody comes to you and after you have created a design, and after that the person said you that I want to change something in that, then the overall theme or the overall concept of the logo design will be changed. So it's very important to specifically ask with your client or customers that what will be the exact name that will be appear on your logo design. And the next question, that is question number 2, that you have to ask about if they want any tagline to appear in the logo design, because sometimes client wants to have the proper tagline, but sometimes they doesn't want to include the tagline in the specific logo design. So these are the specific questions, or the main questions that we need to ask with our clients or customers before starting the work on their projects. And the next question that is more important, that is, if you do you have any specific images or icons that you wish or don't wish to be in your logo design. This is very important, because the images design or the icons design or any sort of concept design within the logo, it takes time. So if you are creating different concept based on the images or something like a iconic, then it will take your time. So you need to be, because sometimes clients want to be like a logo should be typography based, or the calligraphy based, or just based on the lettering. According to the current standard of the logo design, most people want, specifically the corporate sector, wants to have the design that is more minimalistic in terms of themes. So you need to ask with these questions, because it will save your time and it will give you the opportunity to provide exact the results to your client or customers. So this is very important. Now the next thing that next question that you can ask with the customer, do you have any color preferences or any existing color you want in your logo design? So this is very important. It will give you the basic idea about the theme of the logo design, like it should be a cool design or playful or whatever you want, because color basically create a very psychological impact on any brand identity. So you need to be specific about all these things, because what client wants, whether they want some gradients colors, solid colors, or is there so these are the things that you need to ask in your logo design questionnaires. So now the next thing, that is, what attributes of business would you like your logo to reflect? Middle businesses sometimes ignore these type of things, but if you are working with the corporate sector and you are doing the branding from the logo design of these people, of these companies, then you should know about it, that they are very focused, determined, and they have very strong line of action about these to show the attributes in a specific brand or the identity. So you have to be focused about what client wants you to create. So attributes are very important for the business. So like if you are working on the telecom business, and they want so you need to look around what are the services they are providing, how they want to grow in the future, what are their customers, and how they want to grow. So these are the basic attributes that the business need to reflect. The next question, that is, what is the overall message you want to convey to your target audience? Target audience is very important. So you need to create a brand identity or the logo design for this, any specific company based on their target audience, because if something is related, for example, if you are creating something for the beauty industry, so it need to be related with the more side of what are their products. If their product are more feminine, then you should have something like more playful or the feminine concept or the theme that you need to place in your logo design. So all these things that you have to know before starting your project. The next thing, you should ask with your customer that who are your main competitors. Please list their website if possible. It will give you the idea how the competitors are moving within the same category of the business. So you will know about that how the other competitors are created their brand identity. So you will give the idea or the concept that how can you create a very distinguished sort of logo design that can stand your customers among them. So this is very important to ask this question. Do you have any inspirational logo model in mind? So this is the next question that you can ask. Do you have any inspirational logo model in mind or something similar to your competitor? If you share the link to review. According to my personal experiences on the basis of the best practices as well, I would like to ask these type of questions with my client, because sometimes clients are inspired by with some logo design, and they have a very specific concept in their mind that I should have a logo similar to that logo. So you should need to ask about them, because sometimes you worked on it but client doesn't want it. So if you ask these type of questions, then this will give you the complete understanding or the exact understanding. You can read your customer mind that how they want to have their logo design. Otherwise, you can ask one specific question. Please supply brief descriptions of the design you have in mind or any other information that would be useful. So if they provide you something in form of sketches, in form of design, then you can draw it professionally, and you can provide the complete solution according to their requirements. So this is very important. One more thing that I forgot to write in this logo design, I just clicked into my mind, that you have to ask about the fonts. If they want to have any specific font in their logo design, then you should ask them, because sometimes, because according to the current or the contemporary design standards, lettering are very much in the trend. So you should ask them if they want any custom design format or some lettering based, or they have a way sometimes of this is very important. If you ask these type of, in this way, client will share with you some specific concepts with you or the fonts with you, so it will be quite easy for you to provide the exact solution to them. So these are the simple questions that I shared with you that you can easily share with your client or customer if you are working on the logo design project. So it will ease the way of communication between you and your client. So and it will give you a very nice time to design everything in a very hassle-free environment. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my tutorial or whatever you call it, this is because I didn't design it anything in this tutorial. I just shared the logo design questionnaire with you. So if you like it, then please thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.